So my family, I still live on this Bondo issue, right? The video where I post, I go through the comment section, I see a lot of comment there, a lot of engagement them, right? Even when people they send me private messages and they thank me, they appreciate me, right? I see when we see somebody they talk say, this now waiting, na tradition, you can't understand tradition, blah 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 blah. Where other person answer in the comment section say, if now you picking it be happen to so, how you they feel? When I see we other sister back make a comment where say this same situation now in by in that in paddy where it go 6 feet late today in order the soul, right? The reason why make una see I can't with this topic back today is that as I tell una say me na a victim I go bondo. So now I can't tell una the reason why make una see the anger na my face, una they see the bitterness na my face because this same thing don't happen to me to say if for me lead me to 6 feet. Maybe I know for they alive they let today. If not to God in intervention. I find out about this thing. Now where I go salon recently, where need to say even young people hide them for me. Now where I go salon, I go know waiting happen. Remember, you don't go to 15 years, nobody no explain to me nothing. This was 2011 before I move come abroad. Where this thing happen to me, then put me bondo. Now where I come abroad, now in the so can well. Even because I be they scared with everything because like it be they really they pain me. Even when they make I go hospital, go see I don't know if gynecology, I don't know who that I go see, you understand? When they try for check me, see say everything they in place, like everything they perfect. Even if for me lead self made them put the same thing where them pull per me, then for me put on there. But they say waiting happen, it can be 50-50. So I don't want anything will go complicate me life. So I was like, may we just left her as it is. So because they say the way they put me or the way where they put we na salon with the way where they put the Somalians them, right? Now two different way na they put them. So me young, as long as you don't get nothing with it, they stop my sexual life and I know they feel ashamed with my partner. So it's okay, it's fine. They say it look good. So I was like, okay, maybe just left everything. So right. So me family 2011 where they put me bondo. You see, they put me bondo not to like where are they young like where our left salon for can abroad. I don't put tits now. You understand me? I get boyfriend. You understand me? Like, are they aware? But like, not so because if you want carry they come and say everybody want go bondo all lentin and they but trust me, I regret everything. Okay, so when they go put me bondo, me that can possibly say I'm very energetic. You understand me? Like everything went smooth, no complication. If when they don't put me, it means you are wet. When I see me, I begin they play balance ball because they go put me soon and I me one green and me them put. You understand me? Not to that way they beat boom 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 no. So even when they tell me and say I even go play balance ball. I even begin to jump because like everything was successful. They even tell me, mama say everything is successful. So me mama happy. If they come for me, it can't see me. Me family, whole and behold, if not so they say, right? Now me go for my go lay down. Say when they put people in bondo, then get that food when they mix everything, different thing, every day they call a yum boba. Okay. Now you then tell me then go bye for that young body. So me now I go sleep. After I don't play, I don't exhaust. Where they don't put me, don't know. Less than how many minutes I go begin to jump. Where I wait, I go begin to jump. Now I say they go rest. I go lay down for go sleep. Right? So then say where I grab now, I go kakai the young boy. My dear brothers and sisters, where I go for go lay down. Now me no grab again. No. Now me they wake. I sleep for how many hours? I don't wake up. When I guess what happen. The two useless people where then go put me. I call them bondo. The one kabli each other. That means say the other one come up be any company. For me, it get a problem. They use me. The one use me as experiment. I don't know what's in the paper. Me brother and my sisters, now so then go inside for go wake me. Then go wake me. Remember post when they say everything went successful. Me mama I can miss them put fall on top me head. Me mama say waiting they go on. Now in the explain and tell them more. They say waiting they go on. Me brother and my sister, if they not be rushed for me, then go meet. Waiting more a man or whatever we then do for me, then go put saga. That's what for me they do and I no wake. My I can meet them put together fall, but I don't know scan call or fall on me head. They knock me, I know they wake. Then the man when they go to night say una get loco, say una kaya so on time oh. They explain waiting happen, waiting lead to this. Me then use me as experiment. God go punish them people in it. We don't want me fumble back. In back then say and did it. He say wait happen and go put me 18 bondo. No not tell them. In back. They say Andy that was like, So me now so me life will just go so like that. And before me mama put me, somebody they will tell and say, listen me, left this speaking me no put amolo. Left for me it go so. He say no, me them put on the traditional. So back he talk. The person advise him say, me no go put me. So they for lost me life. My dear, now that's Saturday now when pull up. From there now able cancel. But me, I don't know nothing waiting happen. I don't know nothing. My mama they cry. I don't know nothing. Nobody no explain, tell me anything. Nothing, I don't know. My brother and my sister, that's why I forgot lost my life. By now, then just people will remember RIP. I for don't die like almost 14, 15 years ago. If people will not be rush, say this in ordinary now, this people will put her, he go wet, he be the play, he look at me the jump now, so he go sleep. Then say, I bleed. Person will not be bleed. Immediately do I go wet, the blood, everything shut down. I say, I go play balance ball, me people, Now they are conscious of Nande. Yes. Me, I made them go no more, they meet at and sleep, and they bleed. Now see. Whether you they tell me about tradition, all that tradition help. No, all that tradition help. This is the most useless thing I want me to about Sarah Conti. The most foolish tradition ever. You saw the Papa God say, he say any stick or any tree when no they produce fruit, may they cut off. You see this tradition, nothing on the way they produce, nothing good. You know how many people don't die by this useless tradition? And that's why they call it, because I know. When I can know the truth saying that this thing, now me go on, I was so angry. I asked Mama, say, why una not tell me? Like, they just keep on to themselves, everybody know. They just keep on to themselves, like, it's crazy. This same auntie, he even come, Usa be the sleep, for me can finish the duty way for do. Yes, for me can finish. Pastor then tell and say, I know, I dey pass sleep, I know they. Now I say, you want to see me? Why you want to go see me for? Why you want to go see me? Nobody no say them put me. Like, them just want to do uncle with secret. You know which man now? And before you are aware, you don't know. You understand me? So when I see the reason why make are they angry at this way they go, they tell me about stupid tradition. You know they able to understand tradition. No, I don't even want to understand. Because that's the most useless tradition ever. When I see what they talk, when I forward them to the one the way they forward them to. When I forward if I dey afraid man die back. Now me they talk. Constitution not talk and say them for abort this thing, but we still get myopic people them when they go with the flow. Una know they respect tradition. Una go they open una 32 teeth and dirty teeth. Una need the brush. Una go they say me na citizen, me na patriotic citizen. But una know they obey constitution law. We bind we all together. Una let some of una may go no punish una. No go no buy some of una nonsense. They tell me about tradition. That tradition help.